Hello to you and welcome to this video where I want to show you a small tool I'm using all the time that I call Git to Git Ignore. So it's a package that you can put in your project, and you drag and drop this file, and what it allows you to do is to have some Git in your Git. So when you want to work with Unity and make some toolbox, you want to have your Git project that you can save at any time, and you want to have your Git toolbox in the project and not in the package manager to be able to edit them very fast, and then later on you will be able to put it in the package manager. But for the first part of the creation of the tool, you want to be near the place where you're working on. So here, for example, if I don't like this stuff over there, I just delete it like this. I go in the here in the Git, and I will save it. Up, git add, git commit, save, git pull, git push. Okay, so now it's saved. I worked on my toolbox. I'm happy. Yeah. The stuff is that now I want to make a save of my project and not my toolbox. Okay. What I do is that I go in my scene, I go in the script, and I say I want to turn all my my Git project in the project as Git ignore project. So as you can see now it is. So if I go here, show in Explorer, CMD status, you can see that I have one file that had been deleted. So I git add, and as you can see, he's not telling me that I have a Git module problem. Remove mat, git pull, git push. So you can see that I'm managing the Git as if there is no Git in the project, but there are. And what happened to be able to do that is that in your Git ignore, you just need to add this that's saying I'm ignoring all the folder that is .git e, and so like that you can skip from I want to have a Git, I don't want to have a Git in the project. It's really useful. It's hard to explain like this, but it's a workflow that allows you to work really fast on toolbox, and as soon as you are ready, you can turn them in package that you put in the package manager. You should not work on your project all the time like this, because it's better to have the tool in the package and edit it outside of your project to be sure that the meta file and the stuff are not changed all the time. But when you are creating the package, it's really more fast to be able to edit it in the project and to still be able to save the project without that. The stuff is that if you work in that workflow, I added another method here that is generate URL backup for all Git. What it do is that it check all that and it go create to all the place where there is a Git. He is going to create a Git URL like this. I don't know what it is. It's Unity bugging on it. And so what it does, it creates just an URL where you can click and ta-da, you're in the project. Why I do that is because if you go to check online this stuff over here, so I go in the project, git remote, I go online, check this project, yep, and you will be able to see that there is all my package over there, but there is no the Git anymore, because we ignore the Git, and that's what we want to do a save of the project without the Git in the project, but still the code as we want. But the stuff is that it also means that you don't know where is the code, the Git code of this. So you have now this that allow you to say, okay, the Git code, if you want to have the Git code, is over there. So yeah, very useful, very dirty, very dirty. We should not work like this, but this workflow works well for me most of the time when I know what I'm doing. So if you like it, feel free to go check in the description about the Git to Git ignore project, and enjoy. May the code be with you. See you in the next video. Have a great day.